something from our history lesson. They used to pour boiling water on enemies through holes in the castle walls. That's what a murder hole is. And that's what you found in the tower, Ian. Come on.
Oh, great.
The latch is jammed. Help me. Come on, let's go. This is it. Be careful, Meg. If you fall down, aim for the light. Did you see anything? There is. It's aim from the string. Just a little further. Yay! Don't fall, yay! Who did that? I don't know. Open it. I can't. It's trapped. What are you doing up here, Ben? I heard you guys get up, so I thought. Did you find it? Yes, a key. The little door. Let's go. Would you look at this? A journal, and the first page is torn out. Guys, we just found John Paul Sartre's diary. Whoa! Ben, can you read it? It's been 8 years since my dad died. I can't remember his reason. Why did he have to die? I never got to do anything with him. It doesn't seem right. That's sad. So far. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder what they would have done. Are you okay, Ben? Not really. What's wrong?
I lost my best friend.
What happened?
I gave him a Bible, and his parents got mad. They took him out of school, and then bad things happened to his family, and a lot of other people. I'll probably never see him again.
I'm sorry, Ben. I didn't know.
We better get back to our rooms. Mind if I keep the journal tonight?
Sure. Good night, Ben.
Today I found some matches and lit my toy car on fire in the bathroom.
The fire burned my grandfather's rug. I turned the rug over so he wouldn't know, and then I realized gold knew. It made me so angry, I danced in a rage and shook my fist at him. He took my dad, so today I turn my back on God. I will never look back.
Jean Paul Sartre.
Thanks, Willow Ptarmigan. Who designed the Willow Ptarmigan super-sensitive light gland that changes the color of his feathers? Someone had to. So you see, whenever you have a design, you have to have a designer. And his name is the Lord Jesus Christ. This is the true story of a 12-year-old Israeli boy who thought idol worshipping was a no-no. Nearly 2,600 years ago in Jerusalem, an 8-year-old boy was chosen to be king over the Jewish tribes of Judah and Benjamin. It may sound strange that such a young person should ever be made a king, but God had a real purpose. You'll see it as you meet Josiah, Israel's most spiritual king. Hey! People of Jerusalem! Stop it! I'm your King Josiah. No one true.
No! Wait, somebody's climbing up the rope.
Ahoy, mate. Thanks for getting me a rope. Lonesome gave me a ride.
What? Captain, his William is feeling and he's trying
We
to...
can all explain later, Pixie. Come on now, step lively. We got work to do.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand back. I'm gonna have to break down the door.
Yes, sir.
All right, Finley. You and your 2 cronies jump back on your ship. You're no longer welcome aboard the Jolly Roger.
Right, I was the only one who had 9 lines.
I don't know how you survived your little swim, Captain, but I'm not going anywhere. The sword will decide who's captain of this ship.
But you've got his sword, you fiend.
Very perceptive, Pee-wee. And now I'll teach your precious captain a lesson with his own sword.
Watch out, Captain! Ooh, that was close.
Is that the best swing you have, Finley?
Captain, here, you can have my sword.
Oh, not so fast, Finley. Give me that sword, please.
Let me go.